Hello. Today we're doing Chapter 4, Lesson 6, Constructing Functions. What we're learning today is no different from what we've been doing for the last few days. What are you learning? How to find the rate of change, m, also known as the slope, and the initial value, b, also known as the y-intercept. Why are you doing this? So you're able to compare functions. How will I know I've learned it? I will be able to find the slope and the y-intercept, also known as m and b, of the functions and compare their values. You're going to look at the information given, whether it's in a table, a graph, words, or an equation. You're going to find the constant rate of change, that's m, and the starting point, which is b, so that you're able to write the equation or a function in the form y equals mx plus b. You're going to, when you're asked to interpret the slope or the y-intercept, you're going to do that using words. What is it you're getting per hour, per week, per month? How many pages are printed per second or per minute? That's the rate of change. That's your slope. And you're going to interpret what the y-intercept is. You're going to explain what did you start with. So again, is there a setup fee? Is there a deposit? Is there a monthly fee and a weekly and then an hourly fee? So these are what you're looking at, and that when it says interpret, it does mean use your words. So we're going to do a couple of problems because that's it. We've already gone over how to do all this. So we're going to start with the first one. Music Inc. charges a yearly subscription fee plus a monthly fee. The total cost for different numbers of months, including the yearly fee, is shown in the graph. Find and interpret the rate of change and the initial value. Okay, so the rate of change, that's our slope. You can either count up and count over or put it into a table. Since it's a straight line, you only need to take two things. So we'll find our slope by making a table. So x and y. We can go 1 and 15 and 2 and 18. The change here is 3, the change here is 1, so our slope is 3 over 1. 3 what? $3 for every 1 month. The words on the horizontal and vertical axis tell you what it means. So, m equals 3 over 1, or $3 per month. Now look to where we started. If we are here, we have to figure out what this point is. And it's really hard to tell exactly what it is, but we went up 1 over 3. So we are going to go down 1 over 3, or we're going to take 15 minus 3. We'll get 12. So B equals 12. That means the cost is $12, and that is going to be the yearly fee. That's how much they charge you straight off. Okay, that's how you interpret the graph. Let's try it in another form. What if they say a zoo charges a rental fee plus $2 per hour for strollers? The total cost of 5 hours is $13. Assume the relationship is linear. Find and interpret the rate of change and the initial value. Okay, so we know that m is right here, $2 per hour. So 2, or 2 over 1. We know for 5 hours we paid $13. So if we go y equals mx plus b, we know the cost is 13. We know m is 2 because we already did that. They told us it was 5 hours plus b. Now we solve for b. 5 times 2 is 10. We're solving for this, so we will put a negative 10 on both sides. Remember, both sides of the equal sign. 13 minus 10 is 3, so B equals 3. They charge $3 for the rental fee plus $2 for every hour. So, $3 rental fee, $2 per hour. Okay, next example. The table shows the monthly cost of sending text messages. Assume the relationship between the two quantities is linear. Find and interpret the rate of change and the initial value. So, we can find the change here. 1050 to 1060 is going up 10 cents. And this is going up 10 cents. And this is going up 1. What does that mean? It's going up 10 seconds for every one message. Cost messages. So M equals 10 cents for every one message. Or 10 cents per message. Now you can take the table and go all the way back to 0 if you want to. That's the hard way, because you'd have to go for 4, 3, 2, 1, and then down to 0. Or simply plug in. Okay? So we know for 5 minutes, so if y equals mx plus b, we know the cost is $10.50. We know that the number of minutes is 5. And we know it goes up 10 cents for every minute. So 10 cents times 5 plus b. So 10.50, 10 cents times 5 is 50 cents. Solving for this, we're going to subtract 50 cents from both sides. And we find out that there is a charge of $10 to start with. $10 plus 10 cents for every minute. So B equals $10, and that would be the monthly cost. So that's the flat monthly rate. Okay, and that's how you do this. Some of it is a little logic, little common sense. Okay. That's it. Your assignment is page 323, 324, problems 1 through 6. Best of luck.